You ever get that feeling? Like you just bought the latest tech, and suddenly, boom, a newer, shinier, faster version drops out of nowhere. Yeah, Samsung just did it again. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is coming, and here's the kicker. It's not just a minor update. It's a power-packed beast that might actually make your current phone jealous. But the real question is, should you upgrade now or wait? Well, buckle up, because what I'm about to tell you might just change your decision. Let's start with the core. Performance. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to be running the 2nd-gen Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite chip. Yeah, that's a mouthful, but here's the deal. This chip isn't just faster, it's smarter. We're talking 30% better graphics, 25% CPU boost, and smoother multitasking thanks to improved RAM speeds and a potential 16GB RAM option. That's desktop-level horsepower in your pocket. Oh, and it's not the basic version. It's custom-tuned for Galaxy, squeezing every drop of performance from the silicon. You won't just scroll faster, you'll feel it. Whether you're gaming, editing, or jumping between 20 apps, this phone won't blink. Alright, let's talk cameras. Because honestly, what's the point of a $1,000 phone if it can't make your lunch look like a gourmet masterpiece? Now don't freak out. You're not getting two 200-megapixel lenses. That's science fiction. But Samsung is upgrading the main sensor. Still 200 megapixels, but with a newer HP2 version. Think. Sharper detail, better low light, and less noise when zoomed. But here's where it gets juicy. Rumors suggest the old 10-megapixel telephoto lens might get a 50-megapixel upgrade. And Samsung's experimenting with 3.5x to 8x zoom levels. If that becomes reality, your zoom shots will stop looking like a Minecraft painting. Now about that S Pen. Relax, it's not going away. Yet. There were whispers of Samsung phasing it out. But for now, the S26 Ultra keeps it intact, Bluetooth and all. Stylus fans, you're safe. For now. But with Samsung, never say never. Battery, some prototypes show a 5,500 mAh upgrade. But let's not pop the champagne yet. It might still stick to 5,000 mAh, focusing instead on a more power-efficient display. Either way, expect solid battery life. And the design? If you're expecting a radical new look, sorry to disappoint. It's basically the S25 Ultra's cooler twin. Thinner bezels, cleaner frame, and refined polish. It's subtle, but sleek. Here's the kicker. This isn't a revolution. It's a refinement. And sometimes, that's exactly what makes the difference. So, should you upgrade? If you crave cutting-edge performance, cleaner zoom, and the bragging rights of owning the newest Android flagship, yes, the S26 Ultra is worth the hype. But if you find a killer deal on the S25 Ultra right now, honestly, that's still a powerhouse. Still torn? Don't worry, I've got something wild lined up. The Samsung Z Fold 7 Ultra 5G just leaked. And trust me, those 10 game-changing features will blow your mind. Tap the screen or check the link below. You don't want to miss this one. With that said, thanks for watching Techie Sumit. And until next time.